This time is different, is it? You wanna know everything about Bitcoin and how it might go down to $20,000 maybe? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, fun on the right, crypto to the max. Remember, Bitcoin last week was in the all-time high of 2023, 38,400, something like that. And then we are going down and we are breaking this support line with the body of the candle, not with the wick. It's not important the wick, or it's important the body. So now we have the concern if Bitcoin is going down or not. And here's Crypto Robert to tell us that we should be maybe concerned, even though he's trying to put us in an optimistic way with the CME gap we have on top of us, which is good. That means that maybe Bitcoin price should go up, but we just have more gaps going down than going up. So yeah, maybe we can go up to fill that gap, but you can see here 1, 2, 3, and 4 gaps we have going south to $20,000. So the crazy idea today is that maybe Bitcoin has to fill those gaps. So maybe this would be the future, the next future, the close future, going to 38,000 something in order to fill that for our chart gap in the CME futures, and then going down to close the ones we have below us. How many of them? Well, here comes my deduction, this thought I have today. Remember, I'm not expert. I'm just a guy like you trying to think what's going on with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for 6-7 years now. And you can see that we have data from the CME futures since 2017. Remember the day those futures were released, Bitcoin started the crypto winter of 2018. So then we went up, and you can see that anytime we went up here in 2019 or here with the next all-time high to 2021, all those gaps, mostly all those gaps were filled. It's true that we have the one I'm obsessed with in the 9,600, and also you can see one in the $11,000, but all the rest were filled. We went up and down, and all those gaps were filled. So now, are we going to just let all those gaps unfilled? 1, 2, 3, and 4? Or eventually price of Bitcoin should go down? Well, in case you want to buy Bitcoin cheaper, maybe you have to wait till Bitcoin accomplishes these goals of filling the gaps. Maybe this will never happen, and you will have regret to my channel and myself. Rodri, you told me we were going to go down. Well, I have no idea. That's why I'm telling you whatsoever what's going to happen. But in the past, this happened, so maybe it will happen again. Remember that also the reason for us to believe we are going south for good is that Jim Cramer says that Bitcoin is a good investment, and he is the official counter indicator in the world. So you have to decide if you believe him or not, if this time is different or not. And thank you very much to our friend in the channel Digital Asset News, because it was so awesome listening our name there. We are creating this video in English for that people out there that doesn't speak Spanish. We have FunOntheRide in Spanish, but we also create this bad pronunciated video every day. So thank you for echoing that. Let's listen to it and the idea about Jim Cramer.
But remember, there's a reason why it's called inverse Kramer, because every time Kramer says something, he does the exact opposite. So I was perusing on the YouTubes, and I found this. This is a video from FunOntheRide Crypto, and he pretty much just says, because Kramer said to buy Bitcoin, you should probably sell it. And it's a pretty compelling case. I'll link that video in the description, which looks pretty good.
Thank you very much. It was awesome. I was just considering stopping my creation of English videos because of the little views they have, but you encouraged me to keep on going. So thank you very much, and thank you for having the link to our channel and your description. We appreciate that a lot. I will leave the link to your channel in our video too. Thank you very much. very much. And if you want to learn everything about crypto, you have to watch Digital Asset News. In the last video, he will tell you about some investments in crypto. And also, I like a lot that if you watch the video, you will see that this guy will prevent you from scams, and he will tell you this is a volatile and very, very dangerous world. So you must lose it all, and you should be cautious and just trade very, very in a very cautious way, because you might lose it all. And thank you to Tito Crypto that told us we were in this channel. Thank you very much to the community. And we have an announcement today. We are now on Spotify. Why we weren't on Spotify, I don't know. I just didn't thought about it. But our team had a meeting, and we decided that we are going also to try to be out there in Spotify. Here you have the sneak feed with all the channels we have. We are everywhere now on Spotify too. So follow us there. Thank you very much. I leave you the link in the description below, because we need 100 users in order to start making money. And we need to find a way to make money, as this is always free for you. We don't have courses, we don't have signals, we don't have private groups, we have nothing. So if you help us with that, that would be much appreciated. And back to Bitcoin, what's gonna happen with this line? Is this support or is not? 36, 37. Crypto Robert saying that we might be losing momentum. You can see here with the RSI. And remember this chart I shared with you, where we allegedly were following the path we had when we started this lovely year of Bitcoin going up. But we have no more 4 green candles, but 6 green candles in our way to $50,000 as we were following. But now we are just looking further, because this is not 46 weeks in the green, and you can see the last 3 times we had 6 or more green candles. So you can see here it was mostly it, and then we need a correction in order to go up. I think something like this might happen. As you can see here, our drawing that is following this path is very similar to this movement here. But maybe we are just in one of these legs in our way to the parabolic mode to the all-time high. What do you think about that? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Remember that I predicted that this month was going to be red with so many doubts. That's why this is called a drama. But we are maybe closing in the green. So I was wrong once again, as Jim Cramer is. And we'll see if we are then in parabolic mode or what. 7-8% right now in the month when we are in the last week. And here, remember the path we are following from 2015. And you can see we didn't have this crazy up and down, but we are mostly following the way 2015 worked in this time of the year. So maybe we can even close the month in the $42,000. That's also a possibility. If that's so, well, we are following the 19% up that we told you it might be if we are following 2015. We should be in the top of this pattern in the rising wedge, because if not, we might fall into the $30,000 line. And maybe that's something we need to do. Maybe we need to find support in this very important line, which is 35,000. Remember, we told you that the cycles in this video, watch them all, link in the description below. The double fall of dollar and Bitcoin. There we explain you how the cycles are shrinking, allegedly, and then we might have the all-time high in April and the next all-time high in April 2024. Now with the stochastic allegedly saying that this is something that might come into fruition. In any case, if you think about it, Bitcoin still is the best performing asset in the last decade. It doesn't matter if you think of Google, Amazon, Tesla, or gold, or whatever. Bitcoin is the best. So you are very smart, and I'm very smart too. And Willy Woo here telling us that we are not going under $30,000 again if this theory comes into fruition, if this is true. And you can see that 8 of 8 times so far this has worked. So I leave you the link in the description below if you want to study the theory with those bear market bottoms and then the strong area of prey discovery that we are right now there in the number 9. So yeah, maybe we will not go under that bottom anymore, but that will go against the theory that those gaps have to be filled. So if we just go to $30,000, 1, 2, and 3 gaps will be not filled. So maybe this time is different. I don't know. Dollar going down, which is awesome news, and awesome news that 87% of all Bitcoins are in the win right now, and also 70.35% of Bitcoin is not moving. So we are more and more holders out there, not just us. Money will flow into the industry with a Bitcoin ETF. It's just easier to buy, said the ex-NYSE president. So everybody now waiting for that ETF to come true. And now from Healthy Pockets telling us that in China, they are having licenses for mining. I thought there was a prohibition in China. So Asia coming into crypto again. Are you tired of Black Friday? Well, today is the last day, so bear with us. We have Cyber Monday today. Do not miss that. Opportunities out there. Use the link in the description below for some discounts in Amazon. And remember that there are a lot of scams out there with Cyber Monday and with Black Friday. Also, a lot of people now in social media saying that this is all a huge scam and there's no such thing as offers, that we are being tricked with Black Friday. Can be true. And maybe blockchain is here to help us with that. I leave you this link in the description below, and you'll see there that blockchain will help us with transactions. Those are safe payments, and also you can track how many stock you have and where the stock is going in a way that they can't lie to us. So maybe in the future we will ask for this safety in the next Black Fridays. Today with TradingView, you have 70% off and 1 free month. Up to that, link in the description below. Take advantage of that. Also remember, Trezor, you can have up to 40% up today. We created a whole new section in our website, FunOntheRide.com, where you can watch the tutorial. All this is free. You just have to buy the device, so use the link below. Take advantage of today's Cyber Monday, or just try today if they still have the Black Friday offers. That I for sure think today you have still the possibility with Ledger earning up to $50 in Bitcoin if you buy it today. Follow their social media for more updates, and remember, follow us. We have there a pool of 3,000 USDTs that you can get with COINW. Up to 50 USDT, 55 per user. So you have the link in the description below. And tomorrow starts BTC 2023. We have a whole video telling you about that. So do not miss that opportunity. You still have the chance to buy your ticket. Link in the description below. The market is greedy still, but we have it in the red. And why is that? Well, this is because of our friends in Luna, LUNC, and USDC. This is for me so scary. Why is all this going up? Well, the idea here is that as I asked ChatGPT to find the reasons, the thing is that the community is trying to have this chain back. Why? I just wonder why, and why everybody is following for this pump that I believe in the future will be a dump for sure. So be careful about that. Also, what about Binance? Is this not enough fiasco for us? I think it is. But now some food out there, people saying that the money is flowing out of Binance. Some people saying that it's not true, that it's not a lot of money, and that we knew that we are going to have this balance between exchanges in United States and foreigner exchanges, even though they are in United States. So the money is flowing into Coinbase as BlackRock and some other friends want it to happen, so that we have balance in the market. Ethereum wasn't able of breaking the important line, so we are still trapped in the triangle and trying to find this path to the $10,000. We told you everything in past videos. Watch them all. Also, what about Celsius now becoming a mining company? Terrible stuff happened in the past. So maybe we need to hide from scams like this guy is doing with this really nice costume. Congratulations on that technology. And what about technology for building? Like this guy is like, okay, I have my beer, and with my beer, I can balance the situation. Yes, and then I have a drink, and this is how everything works out. So, again, do not drink and trade. You might fall as this cat. Ooh, that was a terrible one. To $20,000? Maybe so. Be careful out there. And now let's rest a little bit, being a sushi cat sleeping tight. We have no more time today, but we are trying to find more information. Now watch another of our videos if you want to keep on learning. Maybe the one about Jim Cramer. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come here in Fun on the Ride Crypto News. To the moon!